It's Mark's Mechanic Minute, and today our topic is electric vehicle training equipment. If I want to learn about electric vehicles, I have everything I need all here in one convenient place. How cool is that? This system has been used to convert hundreds of cars reliably and is specifically laid out so that it can be removed from this cart and installed in a vehicle. There's our contactor box ready to go with all your high voltage switching. Battery box, how awesome looking is that? This universal box handles up to 125 volts, has the integrated maintenance switch right there, your high voltage lines, CAN bus communication, internal fuse, battery management system. It comes with clear and the aluminum covers, key switch, direction, functioning regenerative brakes, battery alert. Check out this beautiful display. Let's see if it works. All of your high voltage charging components here in one convenient location. This beautiful laptop already loaded up with any diagnostic and programming information and no subscriptions required. Your DC-DC converter, your auxiliary 12-volt battery, the inverter controller, the included CAN sniffer, the industry-loved Hyper 9 AC permanent magnet motor. It comes OBD2 equipped, and with optional equipment, you can customize your own dash. The EV Trainer has everything your school needs to teach electric vehicles and comes with full curriculum. Visit ev-trainer.com to learn how your school can get involved. Thanks for spending a minute with me.